Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day today. Before we get into today's video, I just wanted to take a quick moment to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and who continue to show me love and support. I really do appreciate it. I recently reached 1,000 subscribers and it really means a lot to me. I love what I do in my channel, from makeup tutorials to fashion try-on hauls and even my very personal weight loss journey. I really feel like I've created a safe space for everyone who comes to my channel, and also for me to express myself. So I really appreciate all the love and support, and thank you so much. But in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and play again with the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. I uploaded this video a few days ago and you guys seem to really like it, and I got great feedback from that video. So I wanted to go ahead and create a different look using this palette in case you need some more inspiration. The first video that I made, which I'll link down below and in a card up here if you guys want to watch that if you haven't yet, and I also have a picture of the look. I played more with just the greens in the palette to show you how to kind of play with it, or how I would play with it, and I got great feedback. A lot of people like that. But also I know that green is not for everyone. I love green eyeshadow, but I do know that it's not for everyone. Not everyone likes it, and that's totally fine. So today I created a more natural look, and I'm gonna be sharing the tutorial for this look with you. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into that. And again, thank you for all the love and support. But yeah, in the other video I went more in depth about the palette and I did swatches. I'll have a little clip of the swatches here in case you guys want to see that, but we're gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White, and I'm just gonna use my finger to blend this all over my eyelids. Then using a fluffy blending brush from Morphe, I'm going to dip into that color Wink. And this is sort of a very light, cool tone brown. It's showing up a lot lighter on camera, but I'm going to definitely go ahead and tap off the excess. And then I'm going to very slowly buff this into my crease. This is sort of going to be my base, and I'm slowly going to build up the color just because I'm going for a very simple everyday look and I don't want the shadows to be too intense. And now I'm just taking my time, making sure that I slowly build the shape that I want today, and also kind of intensifying that shadow a little bit. It looks like it's not there, but I promise you it's there. Again, I'm just using this sort of as a base. But yeah, I'm just taking my time, making sure that I have enough going on before I move on to my next shadow. Using my finger, I'm going to dip into that beautiful shimmer Lovebird, and this is sort of a coral toned shimmer, and it's just gorgeous, and it's been calling my name ever since I laid eyes on this palette. And I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over my eyelids. I'm using my finger just to make sure that I have enough pigment. I feel like my finger works best with these kinds of shimmers, and it did not disappoint and definitely applied really nicely. Then I'm going in with a flat lid brush, and this is from Luxie, and I'm just going to go back into that shimmer Lovebird and just sort of perfect the application of the shimmer. I'm going to go right on top of that and intensify it, and then I'm also going to go ahead and use the tip of the brush to sort of make sure that I have a nice even line between the crease and the lid. So like I said earlier, I'm going in with the tip of the brush just to make sure that our shimmer looks really nice and perfect. That's kind of the look that I'm going for today anyway. But next, I'm going to use this crease brush from Morphe, and I'm going to dip into that brown shade Wishful. And I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it upwards and into my crease to sort of begin to intensify the crease and create that contrast between the crease and the lid that I love so much. And I'm just taking my time intensifying my crease, and I'm also starting to slowly create an outer V shape with the tip of my crease brush. So I obviously really took my time with that, but now I'm going in with that lid brush again, just to sort of reapply a little bit of that shimmer to make sure that I don't lose my nice line between my lid and my crease. Taking the same crease brush from Morphe, I'm going to dip into the beautiful warm tone brown Endless Desire. And I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend it upwards and into my crease. Just because I really was missing some contrast, I really wanted more intensity in my crease. So this was the perfect shade for that. And I'm just slowly intensifying that, and also making sure that I have a nice outer V shape in the outer part of my eye. Then I'm taking my fluffy blending brush from Morphe without adding any product to it. I'm just going to slowly blend out the edges of the shadow that I applied, but I'm being very careful because I do feel like everything applied nicely, so I don't need to over blend. Then I'm taking the same crease brush in that same brown shade Endless Desire, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line just to kind of smoke out the look a little bit. And then I'm going in with that beautiful white shimmer Major Spotlight, and I'm applying this with my finger to my inner corner. Then I'm going to use that lid brush that I used earlier to sort of blend that into that coral shimmer. And then I'm going in with a different brush, and I'm going to apply it to underneath my brow bone, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so here's how the look turned out. What do you guys think? I really like how it turned out, and once again I'm very impressed with this beautiful little palette right here, and it has easily become my favorite palette, and I've only played with it like 3 times, and I really do recommend this if you don't own it. I think you can definitely play around with these colors. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.